Calculating the total amount earned when simple interest is known. From the concept of simple interest, it is clear that the formula which gives the total amount of money, a customer receives when he or she deposits a principal P to a bank during a period T, if the value of simple interest SI is known, is shown in the following on screen. When expressing the simple interest in terms of P and R, as we did earlier, we obtain the following shown on screen. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. For example, if a customer deposits $8,700 to a bank, P equals 8,700. That offers 2.6% yearly, annual, interest rates, R equals 2.6. After a period of 3.5 years of deposit, T equals 3.5, he will receive in total the figure shown in the following on screen. Obviously, the value of simple interest earned by the customer during this period is the difference between the total amount received and the principal deposited, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. A value that represents 9.1% of the principal, $791.70 out of $8,700 equals 0.091. Example 1. A customer needs to borrow $15,000 from a bank which offers loans with a simple interest rate of 3.8% per annum. The customer hopes to sell property in the future to settle the loan. The property is estimated to cost $18,500. How long after the loan agreement will the customer have to sell the property in order to settle the loan on time? Solution 1. Clues: P equals 15,000. R equals 3.8. A equals 18,500. T equals? Using the combined formula found earlier, we have the following shown on screen. We obtain for the time T, in years, needed to settle the loan, we have the following shown on screen. Sometimes, the interest rates are not given per year, annually, per annum, but per month, monthly, per month, per 3 months, quarterly, per 6 months, semi-annually, etc. In these situations it is better to have the interest rate expressed per year first, and then apply the formulae we explained previously. Example 2. A bank offers 0.22% monthly interest rates for loans. How much will a customer receive after 3 years if he deposits $20,000 now? Solution 2. We have the following clues: R, monthly, equals 0.22. P equals 20,000. T equals 3. A equals? First, we have to calculate the yearly interest rates by multiplying the monthly ones by 12, the number of months in a year. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. This means the yearly interest is 2.64%. In this way, we obtain for the money the customer will receive in 3 years shown in the following on screen. That is all for lesson 5.4.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.4.4, Compound Percentage Change. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.